Hello friends, welcome to my Power Yoga series. So if weight loss is your target, you have reached the right place. So I am going to show you today 3 variants of Surya Namaskar and which really helps in weight loss journey. So these 3 variants, if you do daily and you increase the repetitions, you will see that you are getting the results very soon. So without wasting time, let's get started and let me show you how to do the Surya Namaskars, perfect Surya Namaskars. Traditional Surya Namaskar, first one, come to Samasthiti. Your toes should be joined and heels apart. Your neck and head in line with the spine, hands at your sides, and you should be standing straight with your feet firm on the floor. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now take your arms up, breathe normally and come to Namanasana. Bring your hands in front of your chest. Take your both hands back, Hastuttanasana. Inhale, exhale, go down, Padhastasana. Your palms on the floor, your spine stretched to the maximum. Now take your right leg back, look up, Ashvasanchalan. Spine should be straight. Take your left leg back, heels on the floor, shoulders in, stretch your spine, look towards the navel. Normal breathing, Ashtangasana, drop your knees, bring your chest in between your palms, chin down. Inhale, look up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, back to Parvatasana. Shoulders in, look towards your navel, squeeze your stomach in and breathe normally now. Bring your left leg forward in between your palms, stretch your spine, look up, inhale, Ashvasanchalan. Bring your right leg forward in between your palms, knees straight, Padhastasana. Exhale, inhale, stretch your arms, take it back, Hastuttan. Join your hands, bring it in front of your chest, Namanasana. Let's do it 2 more times with counting. 1, Namanasana. Inhale, go up, Hastuttan. 2, 3, exhale, go down, knees straight, spine stretched, Padhastasana. Right leg back, Ashvasanchalan, spine straight, look up, exhale, go back, heels on the floor, Parvatasana, look towards your navel, drop your knees, bring your chest in between your palms, chin down, Ashtang, breathe normally, inhale, go up, look up, Bhujangasana, exhale, Parvatasana, heels on the floor, look towards your navel, inhale, left leg forward, Ashvasanchalan, exhale, bring your right leg forward, knees straight, Padhastasana, palms on the floor, stretch your arms, inhale, go up, Join your hands. Namanasana. Now let's move to Sun Salutation A. Come to Samasthiti. Join your toes, heels apart, hands by your side, spine in line with neck and head. Close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Take your arms up. Inhale, upward salute. Look up. Exhale. Go down. Hold your ankles. Padottanasana. Stretch your spine. Touch your forehead to the shin bone. Palms on the floor. Front. Ardha Look front. Inhale. Bend your knees, jump back. Chaturanga, bend your elbows. Bring your body forward. Look up, upward dog. Exhale, Parvatasana. Stay here for 5 counts. Hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees, jump forward. Ardha Padottanasana. Stretch your arms, inhale, go up, upward salute. Bring your hands down. Let's repeat it. Inhale, go up, upward salute. Exhale, go down, hold your ankles. Padottanasana. Inhale, Ardha palms front, stretch your spine, look front. Jump back or one by one leg back. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward dog. Hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees, jump forward. Ardha look front. Padottanasana, knees straight, stretch your spine, touch your forehead to the shin bone. Inhale, go up, upward salute. Normal breathing. Bring your hands down. So when you are in this Samasthiti, this is the position of your toes. Your toes should be joined. Your heels should be apart. Your abdomen should be squeezed in. Arms at the side. Your neck and head in line with the spine, and you should inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So let's do Sun Salutation 3. Come to Samasthiti. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, join your hands and sit on the chair. Utkatasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Stretch your spine. Touch your forehead to the shin bone, your abdomen to the thighs, and your chest to the knees. Palms on the floor. Look front, chin front, spine should be straight. Ardha Jump back. Chaturanga. Bend your elbows. Take your body forward. Look up. Upward dog. Inhale. Exhale now. Come to Parvatasana. Hold for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your right leg forward in between the palms. Raise yourself up. Join your hands up in Namaste position, Warrior 1. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground. Exhale. Go down. Come to Chaturanga position. Upward dog. Downward dog. Hold for 5 breaths. Squeeze your stomach in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg forward. In between the palms. Raise yourself up. Warrior 1. Exhale. Go down. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward dog. Hold for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees. Jump forward or one by one leg forward. Ardha Stretch your spine. Look front. Inhale. Padottanasana. Hold your ankles. Stretch your spine. Inhale. Join your hands. Sit on the chair. Utkatasana. Normal breathing. Come up. Bring your hands down. So, these were the 3 variations of the sun salutation. And if you do it dedicatedly every day and increase the number of the repetitions, you will start seeing the results in your body. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.